the freedom and liberty we enjoy just because of the brave men and women of the military who dedicate their lives to protect the nation. They sacrifice their lives just so we can live freely in a prosperous society. We cannot imagine that what our soldiers do for us takes a great amount of courage and sacrifices. A very gorgeous morning to each and everyone present here. This is Meenakshi from class 8 presenting today's morning assembly. My dear friends, can we do something for our military? Can we? Yes. We can honor and be thankful for their unselfish deeds. On the very special occasion of Kargil Divas, let us all do our bit by praying for our soldiers' safety. They deserve much more respect than what is being offered to them. We pray from our heart for all the heroic sons of Mother India on Kargil Vijay Divas. Let us start our morning assembly. Join your hands and close your eyes. Start prayer. After prayer, we born on the land which we call motherland. It gives an identity to show that we belong to this particular nation. The pledge of allegiance is instill a sense of patriotism and love for our nation amongst us. Let us take a vow with Mridul from class 8 to serve our nation. After pledge, on July 26, 22 years ago, the Indian Army recaptured all the Indian posts in Kargil that had been occupied by Pakistan's army. It took more than 60 days that India regained control over the post and ejected the Pakistani army out of the territory. The day marks the victory of Indian soldiers and became the symbol of India's proud valor and steadfast leadership. Let us remind our victory and commemorate our soldiers who laid their lives for our better future. And let us move to the next part of our assembly. Now I would like to invite Piyush for today's thought that will fill the spirit of patriotism in us. Good morning to all of you. My name is Piyush. Today's thought is, our flag does not fly because the wind moves it. It flies with the last breath of each soldier who died protecting it. Thank you and have a nice day. After thought, news enables us to stay updated about the happenings in and around the world. In the mornings, sometimes we do not get time to read newspaper or to watch news. Here, I would like to call Vani from class 7 for today's news. After news, my dear friends, let us pay tribute to the Jawans on the occasion of 22nd anniversary of the country's victory over Pakistan in the Kargil war. And we lost nearly 490 Indian Army officers, soldiers and Jawans during the course of the battle. Let us pay tribute to soldiers who sacrificed their lives in Kargil war. I would like to call Pranay from class 8 to deliver a speech in honor the heroes of Kargil war. After speech, let us boost our morale, strengthen our emotions and rekindle pride in who we are and what we represent as a great nation. I would urge you all to listen to the song and feel proud of our motherland. I would like to call Prakriti for a patriotic song. After song, despite differences in culture, traditions, religion and languages, India is united under one flag. The national anthem underlines the importance of India as a diverse nation. It is significant in unifying us and reminding us that there we stand and remain one under the Indian Union. Let us pay respect to our nation by singing national anthem. Take position for national anthem and start. After national anthem, victory does not come cheap. We also had to carry some BOs, a tribute to the martyrs of India. Today's assembly is over. Thank you to all of you. Have a nice day ahead.